Ever feel like your life just collapsed? Like everything you built just disappeared overnight? It hurts, but you're not broken. You're just back at zero. Zero feels like failure, but it's not. It's the start, not the end. When you lose everything, you lose all the noise too. And that's when you finally hear yourself. This is your moment, not to restart, but to rebuild. So let's begin. Brick 1. Accept where you are. You can't rebuild while pretending you're still on floor 10. You're at 0, and that's okay. Brick 2. Forgive yourself. You didn't fail because you're weak. You just needed a new blueprint. Brick 3. Move, not fast, just forward. Momentum is greater than motivation. Always. Brick 4. One habit. That's all you need to start. One push-up, one glass of water, one walk. Brick 5. Protect your energy. You don't need to be available to everyone. You need to be present with yourself. Brick 6. Show up, even when no one sees it. That's how you start again. In the dark, quietly. Your life is not a performance. It's a structure. Every day you show up, you lay one more brick. Even if no one claps, even if no one watches. Because this time, you're not building for applause. You're building for freedom. Freedom to wake up proud. Freedom to sleep at peace. Freedom to live without pretending. Brick by brick, step by step. You're not who you were. You're who you're building. You're not lost. You're laying a new map. You're not done. You're just getting started. Your life collapsed. Good. Now build it better. Watch this again when you forget. And remember, you're not starting over. You're starting stronger.